Garlic and ginger are both famous for their health benefits. Decades of scientific research have shown that these popular ingredients have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and may offer some protection against disease. Combining them may also have health-promoting effects. You could do this by consuming them in dishes like stir-fries and soups, or by taking them in supplement form. It may benefit cognitive health. Regularly consuming garlic and ginger or taking garlic and ginger supplements may help protect your brain and improve cognition. Some population studies have suggested that consuming garlic may be particularly helpful for protecting against cognitive impairment in certain populations. A 2019 population study that included 27,437 older Chinese people found that those who consumed garlic more frequently were less likely to experience cognitive impairment. They also lived longer than those who rarely consumed garlic. Scientists need to do more studies on this phenomenon, including research on other groups of people. Studies have shown that taking garlic powder may improve memory and attention in healthy adults. Research has also linked ginger to cognitive benefits. In a 2011 study, taking 400 or 800 milligrams of ginger extract per day for 2 months helped improve cognitive performance and memory in healthy women, compared with a placebo. Diabetes. Garlic and ginger may help reduce blood sugar levels and improve other markers of health in people with diabetes, especially if you take them in supplement form. A 2020 study on 103 people with type 2 diabetes gave participants 1.2 grams of ginger supplements daily for 90 days. Those who took it experienced a greater reduction in blood sugar and total cholesterol levels than those who took a placebo. A 2018 review that included 10 high-quality studies found that taking ginger supplements increased heart protective HDL, good cholesterol, and reduced levels in the blood of hemoglobin A1c, HbA1c. A 2018 review of 33 studies found that, overall, garlic supplements were more effective than placebo treatments at reducing triglycerides, fasting blood sugar, total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and HbA1c in people with diabetes. If you're interested in using garlic and ginger supplements to treat diabetes or elevated blood sugar levels, check with a healthcare professional to make sure it's safe. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some evidence suggests that a diet rich in garlic and ginger may help protect against certain types of cancer. This may be due to their concentration of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant compounds that help protect against cellular damage. For example, results from population studies have suggested that people who consume more garlic in their diet are less likely to develop colorectal cancer. A 2020 study on 660 Puerto Rican women found that high garlic and onion consumption was associated with a reduced risk of breast cancer. Studies have also found that garlic intake is associated with a reduced risk of lung cancer and gastric cancer. Reduce heart disease. Studies have shown that garlic and ginger have strong heart protective properties and may help decrease risk factors of heart disease, including elevated blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high blood sugar levels. Other studies have shown that garlic helps reduce blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol, and that it helps prevent atherosclerosis or the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Ginger supplements may also help improve blood sugar control and reduce levels of triglycerides, total cholesterol, and inflammatory markers in people with diabetes. This is significant because people with diabetes have an increased risk of heart disease. Scientists have known about the health benefits of garlic and ginger for decades. However, there's limited research on the potential health effects of combining garlic and ginger, whether in your diet or as supplements.